Did you know that gladiators rarely died in battle? That daylight savings time was originally intended for bug collecting? And that the man who created the Headless Horseman also invented Santa Claus? Learn the truth behind these and much more in my new book, Facts That Aren't True. Link in the description.
Or when you could even, like, this is something you can test on your own. Like, if you shine a light at a firmament and make a rainbow, you can, like, if you move it around, it would change the pitch and shape of a rainbow. And it's just evidence of a firmament.
In what way is this evidence of a firmament? How does the How does the firmament produce rainbows?
It's reflection. So
A reflection?
Yeah, in the theory of flat Earth, there's no such thing as space. It's a firmament. We are encased by a firmament.
I'm aware of that. How does it produce rainbows?
The sun is fixed into the firmament, so the dome, and then when that light shines through that glass or the firmament, whatever that is created by, or whatever it is, whatever the firmament is made out of, it produces that.
So you have no idea what the properties of the firmament are because you don't even know what it's made of. Therefore, it can't be, you have no causal mechanism here.
True. Yeah, I don't know what the firmament is made out of.
You know, you can make a rainbow in your front yard. It's like not even hard to do.
For sure. But you cannot, so you can recreate the visual things you see with the idea of a firmament. You cannot recreate outer space or anything that...
No. You can create a rainbow by putting your hose to the mist setting and then shooting the water in the air. So this tells us that rainbows are caused by a refraction of light coming from the sun. And the rainbows you see like out in nature that are not man-made, same thing. It's moisture in the air, refracting, bending, whatever the word is for the light rays. There's no firmament composed of nobody knows what, doing nobody knows what, required for this. So rainbows in no way support that a firmament exists.
Well, you said in any environment, the rainbow is caused by refraction. And refraction is the phenomenon of light or radio waves or whatever being deflected off of a surface of something, or in between the surface of two things. So light has to reflect or refract off of an object.
Reflect and refract are very different. Refract is when the light changes direction and slows down. The splitting of light into its component wavelengths is what creates the rainbow.
But that light has to pass through something, correct?
Yeah, water.
To cause refraction.
Yeah, water.
No.
Yes.
Water has to be present, but that light has to pass through something to make the phenomenon of refraction.
Yeah, water. Go in your yard, take the hose, notice how there's no rainbow, turn the hose on, notice how now there's a rainbow. What's the difference? Add water.
Yeah, but
how to make rainbows? Add water.
You still need the light to be passing through
water. Yeah.
Something.
Yeah,
you
water.
Still need the light.
You water. Sometimes ice, which is frozen water.
Can you make a rainbow with a flashlight?
I don't know if anybody's done that before. Maybe.
So if you're in a room, dark, no windows, and you have a light, you cannot make a rainbow. You need that sunlight to be refracting off of the firmament.
No, water.
You do need water. It is a part. Yes, water is an element that is needed to cause the visual appearance of the rainbow.
Water's a compound, but yeah.
Yeah, you still need it. It needs to be in that equation.
Yep. But no firmament required.
Well, light has to be if light has to be bouncing off of something.
Yeah, right? Water.
So that can be recreated in any environment. You can go in a dark room, mist water, and then create a rainbow with a flashlight.
I would think you could do that. I've never heard of anybody doing that, but what we know is the ingredients are light, water.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. But you still need the light to be you still need that refraction to occur.
Yep.
Like you said,
Water.
You said you need the refraction. And what else? Light
Yep. And water.
passing through or in between. I can look at the definition. Let me see. Fraction. The fact or phenomenon of light, radio waves, etc., being deflected and passing, I don't even know that word, through the interface between one medium and another, or through a medium of varying density.
Yep.
So
for example, water.
Yeah, you're just okay. You're saying one piece. You need the other piece. You need light to be passing through an object.
Light.
Yeah.
And water.
You need light to pass through something, correct?
Yep. Water.
All right. It was good talking to you, brother.
Wait, I thought you were going to tell me about how space can't exist. No, he left. Yep. Water.